I can't turn off my own lights. I'm useless. Nope, I want that music on. Alright, don't have anything. Alright, so I can't get any missions until I actually talk to the campfire. That makes sense. The flames roared alive with more vigor than usual. My employer is happy with success. Hellhounds from beneath, bred by the undead. Go stop the weeping and gnashing of teeth. Okay, intel. The Hellhounds are three-headed dogs with amazing sense of hearing, but they can't open doors. I'll use that to my advantage. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, follow the hounds. The first address leads to a Hellhound pound. End of it. End it. End it. Kill everything. Oh, okay. Interesting. That guy didn't have a gun, or I just can't pick it up? Okay. So I'm trying to go there, I think. Oh no, I'm just trying to kill all the undead. Okay. As you wish. Fucking... Ow! I ran out of bullets. That good boy is following very well. Oh. Hey, doggy. Oh, he killed me very fast. You're a good shooter, man. I respect that. I should turn off the light. I think that's like one thing I should do, definitely. Turn off the light. Okay, let me just get an idea of what weapons I have. Okay. Oh, come on! I only just spawned! You don't need to do this to me this early. I'm killing all the undead, so I may as well do this. Hey, man. I'm so sorry. I tried going up, but I didn't realize it was just like no straight path. Go up there. What are you doing? I'm gonna deal with your friend while I'm waiting. That was a risk I was willing to take. I only have a knife. This is annoying. Oh, yeah. There we go. Three stars, that's fine. The flames roar to life and I see visions inside. My candle has searched, but never returned. The second address is familiar to the fireplace. I'll find what happened to the candle. The zombies have hung up security cameras. They don't do much, but will scream if it sees me for too long. I'll avoid them, or shoot them down. Candles are the eyes and ears of the flames, always observing and bringing information. Okay. The Bogeyman. Second address leads to a house with a missing candle. Okay, so those things up there are the security cameras. That's scary. Yes, scream! Scream for help! So I can go anywhere. Shut the fuck up! I fucking love hammers in this game. Jesus Christ. They're so overpowered. Okay. 9mm, nah, I'm good. Hey, candle. It doesn't look well. The candle is clutching a note. Cold. Where are you? Go to 1023rd 8th NE Highway Avenue. Thanks. Thanks, bro. Let's go. Shut up. I didn't die at all. Yeah, still only got 3 stars. Fuck you. It's all about time? I'm meant to do it fast or something? The flames roar to life. Zombie kings have become scared of my hunt. They have begun heavily guarding a nearby motel. I'll find where they are hiding. The candles tell me that the zombie kings patrols are nearby. I'll have to be quick in case there are reinforcements. Okay, no vacancy. Find the location of Roland's warehouse. Have you heard about Reaper? Yeah. Oh. These guys don't have their heads because their heads can see elsewhere. And then their bodies react. Interesting. Oh, yeah, I didn't think of that. There we go. I'll pick up that shotgun later if I need it. Okay. So... Ooh! Oh, I didn't realize the head was looking that way. Whoopsie. Up. Oh, that turns off that light. How dare you turn that back on? Fuck off. I'm underestimating the length of, like, my attack. Oh my god. I'm lucky it has like a stun lock to it. I'm just glad for that, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to handle it. Oh! I forgot the door was open. I need to, like, look at my surroundings more. I really do. Like, I look at my surroundings, and then my surroundings change, and I don't think to look back. It's just one of those games where I think I know everything, but things can change very fast. Fuck my life. I don't know why I did that. Oh, spacebar switches between them. That's nice. Oh, it's these missions. It's these missions that are gonna piss me the fuck off. Nope. Why'd you have to open the door, man? Oh. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot there was a vent here. I forgot where the, like, I'd be trying to figure out a way to get through oh, cassette tape, nice. Was that just a lucky drop from him? That's weird. If there are RNG drops, then that's bad. In my opinion. But, I completely forgot where that vent went. But now I can use that to my advantage. Okay. I didn't see that guy there. Can I just walk up to this guy and pummel him? No, he doesn't get stun locked from that. I'm definitely going to get this game on Switch though, because the fun thing about the Switch, in my opinion, is I can play it while I'm in bed. And this is definitely a game I want to replay and replay just to figure out the best ways to do each mission. And I try to do them on like a Let's Play, but a Let's Play I feel like would get boring if I were to do that. Like if I were to just replay the mission and try to figure out every single nook and cranny, basically. I want to do that. Don't get me wrong, I want to do that. But I feel like it would be boring. What? I thought I was attacking the guy with the gun, not the guy that was doing anything else. Okay, let's head down. Can I kill these guys? Yeah, I can. I do need to kill all of them though. That's the problem. That guy looks around at the top. That's unique. God damn it. I just can't figure out that flaw. Like, that flaw is what's pissing me off. Every other flaw I can take care of fine. we go. Maybe that'll help. Kill the backup, what? Oh, shit. Backup. What the? I was trying to hit him with the hammer. Okay. Why didn't I have my hammer on? I thought I had my hammer. I must have switched it at some time. Jesus. I feel like they're making the pipes, like the pipes in the other levels could go directly to a vent. They're making it so you go through the pipe and then you have to go slightly right or left to go to the vent. I feel like they're doing that just to piss you off. Come on. Yeah, come on, hero. You want to be truly dead? Kill the backup. You got it. There we go. Find information. Where would I find information? Oh, the vault. Safe thing. What? Okay, this is simple. Okay. That was a weird pick-locking minigame. Let's take a shotgun. Blast their wheels! No vacancy. That took a while.